Imagine tuning into your daily routine in Hougang, Singapore, only to find your familiar neighborhood hardware store now cordoned off by police and swarming with investigators. This shocking scene, revealing an alleged murder just meters from regular shoppers, has jolted the community. Stay with us as we uncover the details behind this tragic case, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and let us know what you think in the comments. This is 2230. Today we're bringing you a detailed look into a case that has rocked Hougang. On the morning of December 10th at around 11:05 a.m., a horrific incident occurred at a shop on the ground floor of Block 210, Hougang Street 21. The alleged assailant is a 42-year-old Chinese national named Du Zixing, who now stands accused of murdering a 34-year-old Vietnamese mother of three, identified as Ms. Dao Thi Hong. Police responded to a scene many in this usually peaceful neighborhood never imagined. Two victims, including Ms. Dao, were found with stab wounds. Ms. Dao, who worked at the Quan Long hardware store to support her family back home in Vietnam, tragically succumbed to her injuries. Another 26-year-old male victim, also found injured, was rushed to medical care. It's a scene that still leaves bystanders and residents in disbelief. According to accounts, the conflict between Ms. Dao and the suspect didn't arise overnight. Reports suggest a dispute sparked 1 or 2 months ago when Ms. Dao accidentally struck Du with a trolley. Although Du apparently showed no visible injury at the time, he allegedly demanded nearly 100,000 Singapore dollars as compensation. This staggering sum raises an important question: what could lead an individual to escalate a minor incident into a potentially deadly confrontation? Ms. Dao, known affectionately as Hong, was not just another face in Singapore's migrant worker community. She was a mother sacrificing time with her 3 young children, aged 10, 9, and 7, so she could earn money overseas. The tragedy is further felt knowing how she regularly video chatted with her family, sent toys and snacks back home, and worked tirelessly to clear her family's debts. During a recent court appearance on December 19, Du was further remanded for psychiatric evaluation. He had already been charged with murder on December 12 under Section 302(1) of the Penal Code, a charge that carries the death penalty upon conviction. The court has ordered a 3-week psychiatric assessment at Changi Prison's Complex Medical Center. The next hearing date is set for January 9, 2025. What makes this case significant for all of us? It's a reminder that behind every headline lies a human story. Ms. Dao's life was more than her job, it was her children's future. Now, that future has been shattered. As more details surface, viewers and local residents alike are left wondering, how can we better address disagreements before they become tragedies? If you're finding value in this coverage, consider hitting that like button, sharing this video with friends, and subscribing to 2230. By doing so, you help us bring more in-depth stories that matter. We'd love to know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think stricter protocols for workplace disputes or community mediation could prevent such violent escalations in the future? Let's talk about it below. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this case closely and bring you timely updates. Every viewpoint counts, and your engagement helps shed light on issues we need to understand better. Until our next update, remember to keep the conversation going and stay informed.